My people, wonder shall never end. Another one don still happen again. This one so happen in obodo oyibo here. No be small thing o. This our brother don enter one chance o. Any man wey talk say e no go dey come out go dey hustle go dey work, na so you go dey see am o, my people. No be small something. You know say some of our Africa people dey like to dey do old woman, you know, they go dey go their house, go dey wash plate, go dey wash their pint. Na so this our brother take enter one chance. No be small something. This our brother come marry this our sister. As he see am say e don waka tire for this obodo oyibo side. You know say most of them, if they enter this obodo oyibo, they go dey travel one country to another country. Na so e come say make e carry himself down, make e calm down, make e settle with this our sister. Na so e come settle with this our sister. My people, una no know wetin happen as this our brother come settle with this our sister. E come marry this our sister put for house. Na so this our sister, maybe na this our sister na him senior the brother. Na this our sister no let she dey work for the house. After this our sister go work, this our brother go dey sleep. One day come reach, my people, na so our sister come provoke. He say make he kaba as he come back for work. This our brother still dey bed dey rub caro white. You know say some of them dey like to rub caro white, dey fine well. They go dey white like oyibo, una understand. Na this our sister come change am for this our brother, and this our brother don marry am o. He come change her. This our brother be dey sleep one. Na our sister come back for work. Our brother never cook for our sister. Things dey happen. They say who dey do shentro may not do number. Na so e don enter one chance o. As our sister come back for work, this our brother never cook for our sister, and the food wey dey house, this our brother don squander am. He don eat semo, he don scatter everywhere. Our brother no wash plate o. Na our sister come dey vex. He come wake this our brother. Me, I come shut to lies. I shame. I say, if this person na my brother, I go flog am cane. Why you go allow woman dey go dey hustle, go dey work, dey give you the chop? You know say if woman do one thing for man, they must talk o. Even if say the woman good, e perfect, one day you must talk am. You go drag the man van. You go say, man, you know they go work, come husband, you know they go the hustle, no let me the hustle, no let me the pay house rent. Na so this our sister come drag this our brother. This our sister say na she dey pay house rent, na she dey do everything, na she dey provide food. Say this our brother just dey house, dey rub caro white, dey eat him food. Wetin come vex this our sister be say our brother don eat finish, our brother no even wash plate when they leave for basin since morning. As our sister come back for work, na so the plate come still dey for inside basin. Na this our sister come fertilize for im husband. No be small thing, I was shocked to lies. He say since morning you no wash plate, you no arrange bed, so you dey on top of bed still dey lie down. See everywhere, you no sweep, you no even cook, you use mat take finish food. Anything wey woman do for you, that woman must talk o. Men, make una go hustle. Some of una wey no dey hustle for this obodo oyibo, men are not dey depend on women. Men are not dey do this chentro of a thing. Una understand? Go dey do una understand? Una go dey do fine boy, dey rub caro white. Make una see wetin this our sister do to this our brother. He use mouth take disgwangwa. Make e no come be say I too talk. I go leave the video more na for watch where this our sister for drag this husband van. I will say na the man, I be the head of the house. This woman for now open mouth or spit talk anything. If na the man dey provide, dey give food, dey pay house rent, she no talk. She go dey respect the man, say husband welcome, sweetheart do this one, sweetheart you una understand. Now na the woman dey provide. Anything wey woman do for man, that woman must talk o. Na it be the thing. Don depend on women. Women dey fail. Dey fail. They go drag you van van van. Outside go hear am. Make una watch the video. Make you no come be say na me use my mouth take talk wetin my eye no see.
So na sleep you see this morning.
What are you doing, me? What a kind of with our husband for you.
No, so na sleep, then you dey sleep this morning. I come for us around 8 o'clock in the morning. Now so I leave you for this bed. Go where they go, come back. What is I talk now this morning? After 6, you still get bed, yes, see kitchen. You do part the jam. You eat. You eat for no. Me no dey talk to you. You eat for the jam for that kind place. You don't feel clean the kitchen. You don't feel do anything. Now so you tell leave the kitchen. For me, still leave and wait me. Make I still come do the. Make I say, cause do the work. What you do so good? No, what you do so good? What you do so good? Okay, see everywhere. See everywhere. What you the clean? That's why I tell you this place. And you eat part the jam for here. Now you eat part the jam for here. You eat part the jam. You don't even clean the place where you for eat. You eat finish now. You leave the place. You still go to bed. Make I still come back and there shall be your servant. Make I still come back. Come clean everywhere.
But you video me now. You leave the video.
Why I'm not gonna video you? Why I'm not gonna video you? Me I want video you. Make people see what you they do. I want video you because some people will say, what some men they do say good. What do they do so good?
Don't stop the video.
Me, I'm not gonna start the video. I'm not gonna start. I'm gonna post this here. I'm not gonna start this video. Since when I come for her, 8:30 not to leave this house. I leave this place. You know, so I rush come for her. If I was saying, make I still clean this place. I for clean this place before I go my appointment.
Okay, that's how you gonna video me.
I gonna video you.
Look at the place and the cleaner.
No, you work cleaner. Why you not cleaner since we beside on their house? Why you not cleaner since we beside on their house? Okay, see everywhere. Now you eat for the jam. You eat and finish, you leave, and you can't still get mad to leave this place like this. Okay, she said, me, I'm not gonna leave her. Me, I'm not gonna, and I'm not gonna drop this video. Okay, you can't say, if we go come, me, I'm gonna happy for this kind of place. You just say, if me, I'll still come outside, I can't still make this place like this, I'll call it happy.
Don't be mad to the talk. Why you call a video?
Why I'm not gonna video you? Why I'm not gonna video? Because why the video not be say, many people, they see what you make they do, whether it's good. Some men, not be all men, because business says some men see they help their wife. Now, so you get always they do them. Since when we marry, you never want to help me one day. Before I call the video, you know, say this, you don't pay me and invest me. You just leave everything and you leave and wait me. If I say, I'll call see the washer. You will still come. You'll come see the tea there. If you say me don't wash finish, you'll carry place, you'll take and eat. You don't even say, my wife just nearly wash this place finish. Make I still wash this place while I eat. You'll still don't the place for them.
That video, don't post that.
Why not post them?
Don't post that.
I must post this video. I will post this video. Why not post this video? You will still come, you will still leave the dirty for there. You will come for there. Me, I will just make a side person. Me, I don't want to with the quarrel. Me, I don't want to with the quarrel. But you can't still continue to the do. Not the way say you will still even think say my wife don't tire. Make I still help my wife. What did I do so good?
Okay, don't be mad to the talk. Why you call a video?
I must video you. Make people know what you they do. Make people know what you they do. Because you they do say not good. Make people know what you they do. Help us what you they do now. The kind of way they follow me, they live you good. Since all these days when they do this, me I see they look. Since how many years when me are you married? I say you they do them. That's what you they do them. Only me will start carry children go school. Only me will start come back. Still don't prepare their food before I come go my school. I'll still come back. I'll still go cook for you. You go eat. Not be say you still eat. You will find food. You will give the children. Only you will eat the food. You know, see, maybe still cook for them. Me, I'll still go come find food. Come give them. It's good like that. Me, I want video you. I'll video you.
The video, not prevent the video. And they come out what the place the way they be.
Me, I want video you now. You didn't know I want video you. Me, I want to say this to your people. Me, I want to say to your people, to your family.
This man they talk, they video.
Make them see what you they do me solve this one. Make them see. Only for now you know how to eat for this house.
Me know the video. What did they worry you?
I don't video you. So what you they do?
Why you call a video?
Me, I want video you.
Why you call a video?
I want video you.
My people, sure una don watch am. No be small thing o. Make some of una go hustle. If una dey depend on women, they go disappoint una o. Women, if women give you thing, the thing can never be fleeting. Oh. At all, they go drag on a van, make una go hustle. My people, na here now for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.